A few years ago, we asked ourselves, how can we help the concealed carry community avoid years of frustration and expensive holster mistakes? And we realized that people who skipped those challenges often had a knowledgeable friend or family member to walk them through the process. So our goal here at PHLster is to be that friend for the wider community. At PHLster, we offer a wealth of free resources and education to anyone, no strings attached. Whether you're a PHLster customer or not, our resources are open to you. If you're unfamiliar with our current resources, that's what this video is for. So here's what we are currently offering and a hint as to what may be coming next. First, our concealment workshop group on Facebook. Yes, Facebook groups can be very hit or miss, but we decided to create something better. We actually hired full-time moderators to maintain group quality. Over 30,000 members, it's a space for all body types to discuss concealment and comfort solutions without fear of scrutiny or the perpetuation of bad information. Chances are, if you have a concealment challenge, someone in that group has already faced it themselves, solved it, and documented that process for you to gain insights from. You can use the search feature to find answers, or you can create your very own post to share and seek solutions. Second, we recently completely rebuilt our entire website from scratch so that it could host all of our educational material and provide a streamlined place for beginners and experienced alike to find answers to their questions and solutions to their problems. You can simply go to our Learn drop-down menu to get started on mastering concealment. You can also use our concealment expert, Phil, to get detailed and personal advice. Phil is not like every other customer service bot you've tried to use. He actually does have full access to all of our concealment knowledge, basically anything related to concealment, and he'll be able to offer you a detailed response, and he can even plug in more resources for you to look into next. Free online classes. Currently, we offer one free live class focused specifically on the use of our Enigma system. But even if you don't own an Enigma, you can benefit from the lecture portion of this class, which covers concealment mechanics in a lot more detail. Attendees are welcome to learn from the live troubleshooting sessions where participants address their specific and individual concealment challenges. These classes are held twice a month, and a link to the next one is going to be down in the description box below. So what's next? Our mission is to help everyone level up their concealment skills, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned concealed carrier, we are absolutely in this together. We're developing more resources for 2025, including new website content, of course, YouTube videos, and potentially class offerings. But we want to hear from you guys. What resources do you feel like we're missing in the concealed carry community? And where do you feel like you could use more guidance? Please share your thoughts down in the comments below. Who knows, you might even inspire our next free resource.